Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog app in Zemers.com. First, you need to go to Apps section. Then you go to the New App. Now, in this section, you must select your thumbnail image. I'm going to add this. Add your blog name, my blog. Make sure you are happy with the app URL. Now the app headline, my blog headline here, and the short description here. Now we have to go to Next, and here, make sure you are happy with the settings. I'm going to add this. Everyone, the content is public, and if I want to link this blog to my product, so people can have access to my paid articles. Next, now in this section you can create one or more blog posts, but right now I'm just going to leave it like that because you can come back later and press Next. And here, choose the layout preferred for your blog. I'm going to go with Grid, press Create App, and now we are in the Edit App section at my blog. Here on the right, you can see the preview of the blog. Right now, we don't have any articles because here have to add the articles. What else you got here? You have the content section where you can change the thumbnail image or add a video link. Loom, YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive. So the video will be shown over here. And here you can change the app name, the link, and so on. And don't forget to press save. Here is the layout. If you are not happy with the layout, you have two more. You have the settings. Here you can change your settings to the visibility, and here you can archive the app and or duplicate the whole blog so you can have a blog located with all your articles. You have also the embed option. Just copy this link, add it to your website, and you will have the whole blog embed in your website. And if you go back to the apps, here you can see this is the app, my blog, where I can open it. And here is what you can see. And your clients or visitors can see right now there are no articles. I can copy the link or edit over here, Manage App, Duplicate, Archive, or Delete. And after you press Manage, you arrive at this section again where you can add an article and so on. To see how it's like to add an article and how to edit an article, check the other video from us. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.